If you're looking to improve the mileage of the vehicle you drive now, where should you look first? The tires? The engine? Or maybe behind the steering wheel? Hey, I'm Rex Roy with AOL Autos, and the reality is, if you want to save gas, the best place to start is with the person behind the steering wheel. Well, I've got some fuel-saving tips to give you about tires and engines. Let's go for a ride. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Excessive acceleration sure is fun, but it's really bad for fuel economy. All of this smoke and noise is just wasted energy. Now, to maximize fuel economy, what you're really always trying for is smooth, consistent acceleration. If you find yourself flooring the throttle and then jumping on the brakes, you'll find yourself at the gas station more often. All right, now the proper technique is rolling smoothly into the throttle and maintaining a constant speed. None of this gas on, gas off, gas on, gas off. And if you really want to save fuel, when you're on the highway and the speed limit's 55, drive 55. The faster you go, the more aerodynamic drag there is, and that pulls your mileage down. So just drive the speed limit. Another big fuel saver is coasting. That's when you lift your foot all the way off the gas and you just let the car glide. You've really got to pay attention to your driving. But as you do, you'll learn to read the traffic and find safe places to coast. All right, now watch this. Here's my exit coming. I'm going to roll off the throttle now, and I can coast all the way up to the stop at the end of the ramp. The goal is to anticipate what's coming so you don't have to slam on your brakes. Now, in addition to changing your driving habits, two physical things affect the fuel economy of your car: extra weight and extra friction. Obviously, a heavier car is harder to accelerate than a lighter one. So don't use your trunk as an extra closet or food pantry. When you get home from the grocery store, haul out the dog food, get out the cases of water. Driving around with extra weight absolutely kills fuel economy. Now, friction is another thing you want to reduce if you want to improve your fuel economy. And there are two things I want to talk to you about, but we'll start with the tires. We're going to check this. Tire pressure's fine. Top your tires off, that's good for safety, and it can maximize your mileage. But if you want to see real gains, consider buying new tires. For instance, this Ford Fusion Hybrid runs on Michelin X Green high fuel economy tires. With tires like those, you can see gains of 1 to 4.5%. Now, another place to look for fuel savings by reducing friction is under the hood. An easy way to do that is just to move up to a synthetic oil. Synthetic oils like Mobil 1 and Royal Purple can really help your motor have less friction inside, so you get more fuel economy. Now, transmissions and differentials also use oils, which can be switched out to synthetics, and you'll see gains with those as well. Matter of fact, if you were to switch over to synthetic in every powertrain component, you'd see gains of up to 4%. That's significant. So if you've changed your driving habits, inflated your tires, and changed your engine oils, you can expect to save 10 to 15% on fuel. But how will you know? Here's what you do. Fill your tank up, zero the trip odometer, go driving, and then when you need to refuel again, fill the tank all the way. Then divide the number of miles you've traveled by the gallons. That'll tell you your fuel economy. Keep track of it for a couple of months, and you'll be able to see how much you're saving at the pump. So now you know how to save money at the pump, even if you're not driving a specialized high mileage car like a hybrid. So go and be frugal. I'm Rex Roy for AOL Autos.